Okay, let's make some sourdough chocolate chip cookies. These ones are soft, chewy, and seriously irresistible. Start by tossing your flour, baking soda, cornstarch, salt, and chocolate chips into a big bowl and give it a quick mix. Then in another bowl, whisk together your sourdough starter, melted butter, brown sugar, white sugar, egg and egg yolk, and vanilla. It should look a little bit like runny caramel and smell amazing. Now just pour your wet ingredients into the dry and stir it all together until you've got a nice thick dough. Cover it up and pop it in the fridge overnight. That little rest makes all the difference for the texture and flavour. When you're ready to bake, preheat your oven to 165 degrees Celsius, which is 330 degrees Fahrenheit. Line your trays and scoop your dough. I've used a 3 tablespoon cookie scoop here. Bake for around 12 to 16 minutes, depending on your oven, until they're golden on top, but still gooey in the middle. Let them cool on the tray for about 10 minutes, if you can wait that long, and then grab one while they are still a little warm. Trust me, they are pure comfort in cookie form.